Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make plum sauce as I promised last video. Plum sauce you can have with the prawn cake or some stir fry like spring roll. This one for the kid who cannot handle the spicy, and also easy, and it's want to take long to make it, and also can keep quite some time in the fridge in the cold temperature. All right, and the first step we're going to make, I'm going to show you the ingredient first, right? The ingredient you of course made is the plum. Yeah, and okay, the amount of the plum we used only 3 pieces of plum, and the white vinegar, 400 ml of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 400 gram of sugar, 100 ml of water. Okay, first we put vinegar in the wok. Okay. And sugar, salt, and the plum. We smash the plum, we take the seed out, and then we mash it. Look, the seed like this. But in Thailand they have this sauce with the Hoi Jor, but I don't know Hoi Jor. Hoi Jor. I don't know how they make it. This one, the Chinese people, they make it Hoi Jor. I think you had it before.
The name rings a bell.
The one Chinese name. Okay, you smash and then you put in the wok. Okay, you put the water from the plum sauce. You can smell the water in here. Okay, put the 2 tablespoons. Yeah, that's it for all the ingredients. And then now you high the gas, medium heat. Yeah. Okay, and you just stir. It won't take long, about let's say 10 minutes or something. Today I want you to try with cung hùm pha. Okay, now we add the 100 ml of water. Add bit by bit. Or you can add from start also can. I add one more sugar because a little bit salty from the plum.
Oh, because it's in brine, is it?
Yeah.
This one very good, huh?
Yeah, you can see now start getting sticky. Okay, now you can see start getting thicker, but not too thick. After this one cool down, become more sticky. Okay.
Yeah, I talk about like this kind of sauce where it's got.
Yes, something that's why I don't smash until become very fine. Then you can see the chunk of the plum. The kid, they love it, this one. If adult, you can add some chilli. You see, it take about, I look at the time, it take about less than 15 minutes to make the sauce. I can put this one. And then you can see the bit.
So we're about to try the plum sauce, and yeah, I've got some prawns in rice skin to eat with this. Now this sauce is really thick and gooey and viscous, and it's still a little bit warm. I'm gonna make a mess here, that's for sure. Oh, it's a little bit tart, a little bit sweet, a little bit salty. Really gives an extra dimension to these. So good and so easy. Pair this with, you can pair this with a lot of dishes, fried starters. You could use them with air fried. You could even eat it with chips, whatever you want to try. But spring rolls, prawn spring rolls, the prawn cakes that we did last week go particularly well with this. So give that a go. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.